is how to do payer to payer money transfer. The first thing you need to do is to log on to your Payeer account. To do payer to payer money transfer, it is very simple and very fast. You just come here, you click this button, you can see transfer. This is where you'll be able to do payer to payer account transfer. You can see choose system. This indicates that you want to do payer transfer. Any other transactions that you can do is still here too. You can use any of this to do transfer, and you can see the charges as indicated close to each of the elements and cryptos that you can use. But today what we're doing is payer to payer account transfer, and this template implies that it will store different email address, account number of every transaction that you have done before on this your template. That is, you just pick it. You don't need to be requesting for it again. If it is a transaction you've been doing before, it will be stored here. On this platform, you can transfer money to another person by collecting either their account number. This is your own account number. The person will just copy it like this and paste it here. For you to understand that, let's use this template. You can see you have option to use account number, email address, or their phone numbers. So all you need to do is to collect any of this information. You will slot it here. Of course, you will type the amount. That is, suppose you want to transfer $20. This is the amount that will be debited on this platform. You must have more than this amount in your account. This is the amount your payer, third party you are transferring to, will get instantly on their payer account. All you need to do is to click send, and instantly this money will get to the payer account of your friends or family members or another peer that you are transferring the money to. So this is how to do payer to payer account transfer. It is very fast and very easy. Thank you. My name is John. If this video has added value to you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.